What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing today, man? If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And guys, if you literally have not, make sure you subscribe to my new Instagram, which is I Am Hustler's Mindset. Okay, it's on Instagram. And also make sure you guys join the Discord. The link is below. This is a Discord full of like-minded individuals. We are dedicated to making sure that we are literally working together to accomplish every single goal we have set. So joining that chat, you're going to be surrounded not only by like-minded individuals, but people doing the same stuff you're doing. So if you have a pain point, somebody can help you out and somebody can point you in the right direction, including myself. Now, guys, we are here talking about AirPod replicas, and I'm not going to lie. Black Friday is coming up. A lot of shoppers are really going to be out this year. I'm telling you right now, we are looking to be hitting record-breaking sales. So you need to make sure that you are put in the best position. Now, being put in the best position is something that I can help you with, but also something you need to be making sure you're doing your due diligence and working towards. So how do we start to make sure that we can maximize our profits? This is the perfect time, okay? Right before Black Friday, right before Christmas, in November. I would have rathered you start last month, but late is better than nothing, okay? So let's set ourselves up for success, and the best way that we can do this is by literally learning what comes in the box, learning what is a good replica, learning exactly why you guys need to make sure you're inspecting what you expect. So I will say this, I am sure you guys are trying to make sure that you make the best profit, especially if you're selling replicas. You don't want any returns. You don't want any customer complaints. And I'm gonna tell you something, our replicas have never ever, let me say it again, never ever got any type of customer complaints. And the reason is because we do a 6-point inspection on each pair of AirPods. Now, where can you get these AirPods? Let's start there. The first place you can get these AirPods is at theconnectwireless.com, and we sell these wholesale. Now, the good thing about us selling these AirPods wholesale is you don't need a reseller's permit. We're not asking you guys to have a reseller's license. We're not asking you guys to have whatever you need in your state, okay? In Philly, you need a bunch of stuff to be able to resell. We're not asking for any of that. We're not even asking for your EIN. Only thing that you need to do is go to the website and you can get 4 packs, okay? A 4-piece pack for only $155, okay? Now, let me tell you something. This right here, I went on live today and I showed people exactly what people are making and doing with a 4-pack AirPod replica bundle, and people are making great results, and you can as well. But before any of that, I want to actually do a deep dive and inspect the replica so you guys can see exactly what comes in the box. We're gonna show you exactly what you can expect when you get a delivery from theconnectwireless.com. All right, we have plenty of testimonials. I'll be doing that in the next video pertaining our reselling AirPod Pro replicas. But let's go over the complete unboxing of these beautiful AirPod replicas. So first, we have these AirPod replicas and they come in this box, okay? So what we do is we take our time to make sure that we're inspecting each pair of AirPods for any defects, for any malfunctions, and also just to simply put, make sure that they are coming in the box, okay? Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is a preventive method so that we don't have any package theft. We have not had any of our AirPods stolen by any UPS drivers or anything of that nature. So what we're gonna do is we're going to actually go through exactly what this looks like. So inside of here is our AirPod Pros, okay? Inside that box. I can't tell you how many people, they saw this in their packaging and they're like, oh my God, this is a scam. You're scamming us. No, we're not scamming you guys. This is exactly how they come, all right? So they come like this so that nobody will steal it. The UPS drivers and etc., we want them to not touch your package, so we seal this. Now, we do this on our own. That's why if you see it's sloppy, okay? This is just a sloppy wrap, okay? But that is not what you're gonna be getting with your AirPods, all right? So as I show you with the AirPods, you can see literally that you're getting a really good seal. And that is one of the first things you want to experience when you're talking about replicas, is you want a really tight seal, an accurate seal, one that is perfect, okay? Because Apple doesn't do anything but deliver perfection when it comes to their images and their presentation with their products, right? So as you guys see, when you first look at the AirPod replicas, they have the same exact, the same exact image that the regular ones have. They have the Apple logo on the side, of course, and then they have the AirPod Pro right here, and then another Apple sign right here. And then you get to the nitty gritty. You get to the UPC, you get to the model number, you get to all of the serial numbers. So you get to the point to where this really matters, okay? This matters. So right here is telling you what the AirPods are compatible with. And then right here is telling you exactly what model it is, okay? So this is the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, designed by Apple in California, made in Vietnam, model, and then it tells you the model number, okay? And then it has the UPC, accurate UPC, and also an accurate serial number, so that people, when they look up the serial number, they'll be able to see that these are real AirPod Pros, okay? And that is what we really wanted to make sure that our distributors provided, okay? Now, another thing is, if you look on the back, you will be seeing this. Now, the reason why we wanted to make sure we had the image correct, we had the images right below correct, and we wanted to make sure that we had the Apple, but also the Apple address accurately displayed, because some replicas don't have the accurate information displayed. Instead, what they do is they just put stuff that looks like it, okay? Now, this also has designed by Apple in California up here in the top left corner, and then it has all of the writing that is usually on the package, all right? But the most impressive thing about these replicas is the fact that they have the same exact tabs as the real AirPod Pros. These tabs matter, okay? You have some replicas that don't have any tabs. You have some replicas that have tabs, but they're really cheap tabs, and these tabs are always sticking up. No, you want it to be vacuum sealed and to stick down, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean in a second, okay? But you want these to literally be sticking down. When I take this plastic off, this is not gonna pop up. This isn't popping up. This is going to stay down because it's stuck down. And that is how you get your AirPod Pros in real life. And we want to make sure the customer has that same experience, because if you don't know, half of it is making sure the customer gets the same experience opening the product that they would with the real one. You want to make sure that they don't have any type of gaps when it comes to experience. And the first experience they get is the visual. So we want to make sure the visual is accurate. The visual is the best of our ability, so that we can make sure we have great customer retention. So now that you know that they come like this and you see how the box looks, we're going to put this aside, okay? We're going to put these aside, and then we're going to actually go to where we have a open one, okay? So now this is an open one. Once you take the plastic off, this is exactly how it looks, and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you, this box was made great, okay? Now, I'm not saying that because I'm just buying, I'm the one that literally is providing the information on this, but I'm telling you this because I've got so many different replicas and tested so many replicas, and the boxes were horrible. They were horrible, but you're not going to get that with this. This box is literally very great quality, okay? Now, you can also tell by how the box opens. You see how it opens slowly. It doesn't get stuck to where you just, you gotta pull it out. No, look at how smooth it comes out. And the reason it comes out that smooth is because it's the correct size. And guess what? It doesn't ever pop out. And that is really important. What I mean by pop out, it's not like this box is small enough to where it could just fall out. No, Apple designed their original AirPod packaging so that this does not happen. Just in case somebody's doing this, or somebody may have just had the box but not holding it back. They didn't want it to have a pop out and then the AirPods just fall out. No, guys, this is literally made to the point to where it is so accurate and the quality is awesome, okay? Now you might be like, well, Brandon, why are you worrying about simple stuff like a box? This is why. Because the box, again, is the first impression. So I'm taking the box off now. Really, really great, okay? Really, really good. And one thing about this box that I want to show you guys, if I can, is look at the UPC and the serial number right here. Can y'all see that right here? This is detail. Detail. Immaculate detail. All right, and that is exactly what you should be expecting when it comes to these AirPod replicas. As you see, when you open the AirPod replicas, you're literally going to have the pamphlet that comes with the regular AirPods, right? So now as we lift this up, you see that the pamphlet is not just full of fluff. This is exactly what comes with the replicas. Exact pamphlet, okay? Everything from what you can expect, but also having the the 2023 Apple Inc. All Rights Reserved pamphlet. And that's what we wanted. We wanted to have every single thing so that the customers, again, don't lack the experience. And believe it or not, there's important information in here, all right? So I'm gonna put that to the side. Now, when we go to the AirPods, as you look at the AirPods, you can literally see them in the plastic, but guess what? The weight of these AirPods are awesome. When I used to get a lot of different replicas, you would feel the difference, the weight difference. The weight difference is exactly the same, all right? Not similar, the exact same, okay? The quality is the exact same. So now I'm gonna pull this out of the plastic, okay? I didn't want y'all to hear the speaker, but as y'all do, y'all hear the speaker. That is showing you that the speaker is working. It's not just holes. A lot of replicas just have the holes here. This does not just have holes. These are speakers that actually are working, okay? So as we lift this up, as you see, this is a clean, pristine replica, guys. So look at how beautiful this is right here. Beautiful. It is exact same as the regular AirPods. And we're gonna dig deeper, but I just wanna show you guys exactly what this AirPod case looks like. It has the holes for a lanyard. It also has the writing for the Apple as well. And not even to mention, this is magnetic. This is magnetic, and that's exactly what we're looking for, okay? It also has the button where you can pair. Now these all come, most of these features come standard when it comes to a replica, except for the attention to quality. That's the difference. So people may be like, oh my God, I can get AirPods for $5. You can, but the quality isn't gonna be the same. All right, it's not gonna be built from the same material. This right here, metal, okay? This metal, this is metal. It's not plastic, colored as metal. So you have to understand how to make sure, again, that you're paying attention to the small details. Now, as we look at the AirPod Bud, okay, you see, number one, the biggest thing I saw when I first started was the touchpad. So you have a touchpad where you can put your music up, put your music down, you can tap, you can do everything that you can do on a real AirPod with these, okay? And then, not to mention, of course, these don't pop out, okay? A lot of the replicas, these will come out easily. I'm literally pulling this and it's not coming out, okay? That is what you want. Another thing is this is not a fake speaker. This is a real speaker. Real speaker, okay? A lot of AirPod replicas have a fake speaker right here. This is what allows noise cancellation and also allows you to hear the noise around you, all right? You have a speaker right here, not a fake speaker. These are real speakers, okay? Real mesh with a speaker. Same thing right here, all right? So that is going to be the AirPod. Now, you have two AirPods, they snap in. As you hear, let's listen. Okay, that's not me dropping them in. That is it snapping in. Those $5 replicas, you're not gonna have the snap in, okay? You're not gonna be able to hold this down and them to just stay in, okay? Now, this helps when customers are not responsible or not being vigilant and they're about to lose the AirPods because the case is open. No, you're not gonna have that problem. All right, now another thing that you guys can see, and look, let me turn this off because I got a lot of my camera stuff on here. But when you open this and then you open your phone, okay, you're gonna see that it gives you the option to connect the AirPods. Okay, we're gonna connect. Okay, now I'm gonna hold this. Okay, I'm gonna hold it and then it's gonna light up, of course, right? So now I held it, well, I'm still holding it. Hold on. Now it then gives me the regular animation, if you will, of the AirPods, and now the AirPods are connected. Okay, so they're connecting, and then it tells me the battery percentages of the case and the AirPods. Okay, all right, so that is something that I love about this. Okay, boom, now we're good. It even put AirPod 2 because I already have AirPods connected. Okay, so it's obviously running on the same system, And guess what? Look at this, guys. It comes up on my, it literally comes up on my, Find My iPhone. So for everybody that's asking, is it on the same software? Can you use it for Find My iPhone? You can. It's the same AirPod 2. So that is literally what I'm talking about by quality. These are $38. You can get them at theconnectwireless.com. $38 each. We do sell them wholesale. 4-pack is $155. You can easily flip this right now for $155 into probably like $375. I'll list these for $150 to $138 range. Guys, these are going to be hot sellers this holiday. Make sure you guys take advantage of it now. So guys, as you see, I am literally plugging you guys in. I'm not a YouTuber or a person that is sharing information with you that isn't going to also provide you with an asset or a way to get an asset so that you can excel in what you're trying to do, right? And what you're trying to do is make money. So let's make this money and let's invest in assets. Stop just thinking that you can just take a shortcut, buy $5 AirPods and not have any issue. You're gonna be just like the people on OfferUp trying to sell replicas that are crappy that haven't been listed since January, okay? And we're in November. So guys, make sure you are investing in quality. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this. I love you guys. Make sure you guys are joining the Discord. The link is below. Make sure you guys are also following me on my new Instagram, IamHustlersMindset.com. And also make sure you guys are becoming better every single day. Keep trying to get 1% better. And I'll see you guys at the top. Take care.